Hi, this is Mr. Johnson over at Team K2 Karate. Today we're going to show you, if you're new in martial arts, how to make a martial arts fist or a karate fist for hand strikes. So number one, what you do not want to do is grab your thumb. A lot of times I see new students or younger students and they clench their hands and they're holding their thumbs. It's very bad because if you punch hard you can injure your thumb by squeezing it, hurting the joint, even breaking the thumb. Another way you do not want to hold your hand for karate or martial arts is squeeze your hand where your thumb is sticking out in front, just like this. You don't want your thumb exposed. If you strike or punch something right there, your thumb can get injured also. So what we want to do is first, relax your hand. Start with an open fist. You can practice. All four fingers down, and your thumb, you're going to fold it across. Now, you have a correct karate fist. So when you're at attention stance, or called ready stance, you want to make sure your hands are closed in this position. Now when doing a punch or center punch or reverse punch in other schools, you want to keep your wrist straight. So when I punch, I don't want my wrist or my fist pointing up with my arm straight. I also do not want my wrist and fist pointing down, because if I strike something, it's going to put pressure on my wrist. If I punch something and my wrist is curled up, my wrist is going to bend back. So you want your wrist straight. You want to aim with your two knuckles right there that are closest to your thumb for martial arts. So I hope these martial art tips help on how to make a correct karate fist. See you soon.